Welcome back everyone to Russian Peptides. In today's video, we're exploring one of the most fascinating areas in modern biology, bioactive peptides. Over the last few decades, scientists have discovered that our bodies communicate using tiny natural molecules called peptides. Think of them as biological messengers. Every organ uses its own specific peptide codes to regulate growth, repair, and day-to-day function. In 2018, research into these small signaling molecules received global recognition when the Nobel Prize highlighted the extraordinary potential of these natural regulators. Since then, the field has expanded rapidly. Here's the big idea. When the body lacks the peptides it needs, its internal communication breaks down. Cells lose coordination. Hormones, enzymes, immunity, and even the nervous system slip out of balance. And over time, this kind of peptide deficiency can contribute to premature aging and the early stages of disease. This discovery opened the door to a new approach in health science, replenishing organ-specific peptides to support cellular regulation. Today, several research groups and companies create their own versions of these peptides. Some follow the classic Russian peptide school, like the Kavinson approach, often known through Kavisan or peptide bio. Others include long-established laboratories such as GeoPharm, and newer international producers like MyRealWay create bioactive peptides, combining organ-specific peptides with vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts designed to enhance their biological activity. All of these approaches share the same principle, supporting the body's natural regeneration by restoring the peptide signals each organ depends on. Some of these peptides are offered as injectable forms, others as capsules, and newer formulations often blend peptides with additional bioactive ingredients to widen their effect. Researchers estimate that hundreds of organ-specific peptides exist, each one linked to a different system in the body. Cardiovascular peptides that help regulate pressure and lipids, immune peptides with antimicrobial or anti-inflammatory properties, metabolic peptides linked to weight, insulin, and digestion, neuropeptides that influence mood, cognition, and neural repair. It's a huge and rapidly evolving field. So whether we're talking about the classic Russian organ-specific formulations or modern bioactive blends produced in EU laboratories, the story is the same. Peptides work by restoring the body's natural regulatory signals, the very signals that help keep us healthy, adaptive, and resilient. As always, this content is for education and curiosity. If you're exploring peptides for yourself, make sure you research deeply, look at reputable sources, and understand the science behind each product type. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of peptides.